the traditionality, the traditional mindset of the parents out there who want to bring a traditional painter to the home, then remove all the furniture from there, and then come out with all those dust and all those, freaky things.
The painter would come and then he would say something, and then once he starts painting, it takes so much time, and of course there is so much of mess that they make, and then they don't deliver what they promise.
A lot of seepage problems are there. There's moisture, there's seepage, there's soiled walls, and the paints do not go off really. So those are certain challenges that you really face.
I really found that the tools and the painting techniques that like Berger Paints was talking about, I went through their brief, are really revolutionary, and India should have those kind of high-tech painting techniques and home improvement techniques.
Yes, a new idea, new innovation introduced by Mr. Adas about the Berger XP painting method, which is now a new innovation in the painting process.
Yes, dear, it's a new technique these guys have come up. If I talk about Berger's Paints, these guys are just innovators.
Oh, that is what I felt the very best, because apart from the reason that they are not at all dusty, they have some automated machines into the picture, they have an awesome service, like we can just SMS, we can just call them and they can get the painter to our home.
The Berger Meet has been quite a revolution for me because it's telling me how to go into the fast track, into the world of painting, making the most of the modern technologies and get away from the traditional painters.
The concept sounds very good. Automation is the need of the hour.
I learned that painting is no more something like an old school thing. We learned a lot about the innovations, the technology that has gone into painting your house.
I think they'll be tremendous, and they are very advanced and innovative technologies that they've gotten into, and I think if they're giving it, the most important thing was that they're coming at no extra cost, which is very surprising to me. And if that is the thing, that I would surely like to try and advise others and write about it so that people can try the Express Paint through Berger XP.
Of course, I would love to try it out, and if I love it, then I would definitely like to recommend it to all of my friends and family and colleagues.
About 4.5.
4.5? I would say 4.